In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of cooked rice, ½ cup of chopped tomatoes, ½ cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season the rice mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Pepper to taste. Stuff the rice mixture into the squid, filling it about 3/4 of the way full. Use toothpicks to secure the opening closed. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the stuffed squid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the squid is lightly browned and cooked through. Add 1 cup of white wine and ½ cup of chicken or vegetable broth to the skillet, and then bring the liquid to a simmer. Cover the skillet and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the squid is tender and tea. Liquid has reduced. Liquid has reduced. Remove the toothpicks and slice the stuffed squid into rounds. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Tips for cooking with fresh squid. Don't overcook the squid. Squid can become tough and rubbery if overcooked, so it's important to cook it just until it is opaque and cooked through. Use a meat mallet to tenderize the squid. If you find that your squid is tough, pound it lightly with a meat mallet to tenderize it before cooking. Experiment with different seasonings and sauces. Squid pairs well with a variety of flavors, so don't be afraid to try different seasonings and sauces to find your favorite flavor combinations. Try different cooking methods. Squid can be cooked in many different ways, including grilling, frying, sautéing, and stuffing. Experiment with different methods to find the ones you like best. Use fresh ingredients. Fresh squid, as well as fresh herbs and vegetables, will give your dishes the best flavor and texture. Cook the squid quickly over high heat. Squid cooks quickly, so it's important to cook it over high heat to prevent it from becoming tough. Conclusion. Fresh squid is a delicious and versatile seafood that can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether grilled, fried, sautéed, or stuffed, squid can be cooked in many different ways to create flavorful satisfying meals. Remember to choose high-quality squid, clean and prepare it properly, and experiment with different seasonings and cooking methods to find your favorite dishes. With a little prac. Satisfying meals. Remember to choose high-quality squid, clean and prepare it properly, and experiment with different seasonings and cooking methods to find your favorite dishes. With a little prac. Ice and creativity. You can become a squid cooking pro and impress your friends and family with your delicious seafood creations. Squid is an underutilized seafood that is versatile, healthy, and quick cooking, making it ideal for simple, flavor-packed home-cooked meals. Working with fresh, not frozen, squid yields the best risotto. So follow these guidelines to successfully prepare and cook a variety of delicious squid dishes. So follow these guidelines to successfully prepare and cook a variety of delicious squid dishes. When purchasing squid, choose specimens with brightly colored bodies and flexible tentacles. The bodies should have a firm texture and smell mildly briny but not fishy. Fresh squid cooks within minute. So it's best use the same day you buy it. So it's best use the same day you buy it.